Hi there, today I'm going to paint this tiger, and the tiger on the right was actually the inspiration picture which I've done before on some party, and a friend of mine was asking if I could paint her a tiger to make her tutorial so she could repeat it. So I painted the picture on the left and posted this tutorial on the Facebook group, and I was really pleased that few people already were inspired by my picture and have done their own paintings. And now I'm kind of feeling inspired by yourself, guys, and I thought that I'll do small tutorials and post them to my group One Stroke Beauty, and then upload it here to YouTube channel. I would also like to invite you to a Facebook group where people are posting their one-stroke tutorials, one-stroke images. You can ask for advice, or you can put your own tutorial if you would like to and just show your works, your recent works. I also put the special post in which I asked people to write their own favorite one-stroke artists, and you can take all of them, all that you like, and or add your own one-stroke artist, so we can kind of have a reference to the people who are inspiring others. We can go and check their profiles, and this is, I think it's quite handy to see who people like, and maybe if you don't see your favorite artist, you can also add them, so people will know about this artist and be inspired by your choice. So for example, here we have a tutorial, well, not tutorial, the video of Painting the Flowers by Andrea and Nicole. Just some images, and whatever it is connected with one stroke you can find here. So coming back to our painting, I hope you like my technique, and I wish you a pleasant watch.
Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on them.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. after me. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoy watching my videos and press the bell button to see my videos straight after they're coming out.